Hello! In today's video lesson, I'll show you how to fix lag, drop frames, and stuttering. But first, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any helpful tutorials. Let's now start. Select Settings, go to Outputs tab, and select the Outputs mode to Advanced. Set encoder, so NVIDIA NVENC in the streaming section. Use H.264 if GPU is insufficient, and test network connection speed or bandwidth. I suggest setting a bitrate of 20,000 for streaming and 3500 kbps with keyframes of 2 seconds. Preset the performance and profile to main. In the recording should be done in your specific folder and format MP4 with NVIDIA NVENC or H.264 encoder. Rate control CBR. Bitrate around 10,000 kbps. Keyframe 2 seconds. Preset to quality. Profile is main. And max B-frames to 2. Then apply. To adjust video resolution, set the base resolution to your native monetary resolution, like 1080p, and adjust the output resolution to 1080p or 720p based on upload speed. If stuttering occurs, adjust to 720p and FPS to 60. To improve image quality, configure downscaled material to be linear or cubic for stream reports. Increase process priority to above normal in the Advanced tab. For specialized streaming, Stream OBS can use these settings. Enhance system and network performance by typing CMD. Press Enter, then type ping space google.com. Hit Enter. This test tests your connection to Google's closest servers. And if drop frames occur, adjust your network by using an Ethernet connection. Next, restart your router or modem. Then type ipconfig space //DNS. Hit Enter, then exit. To optimize your computer's performance, navigate to Task Manager, Resource Monitor, and Network tab. Open processes with network activity to view all network-connected processes, and disable certain programs from launching automatically. Disable recording of game clips, screenshots, broadcasts, and captures in the background while playing. Then close. Update your operating system and graphics card by running a search for updates in the Settings tab. Install, then restart your PC. Use the GeForce Experience program to upgrade your NVIDIA GPU graphics card. That's all for now, everyone. Thanks for watching.